Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable vibration and ringtone on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the Settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Then in the Sounds and Haptics, go to Sounds and Haptic Patterns section and choose the ringtone. Then in the ringtone, go to Vibration. Then in the vibration, if you want to disable the vibration pattern for the ringtone, scroll down and click the None. And the vibration pattern is disabled. And if you want to enable again the vibration pattern for the ringtone, scroll up, then click the synchronize or the default. And the vibration pattern is now enabled. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled vibration and ringtone on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!